Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I created this jumbo braiding wig, make sure that you guys stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm already braiding this wig, and I am using a full lace kinky straight wig that I purchased months ago, and I decided to braid this wig up because the hair on the wig was not that good, and instead of me throwing the wig away, I decided to salvage it by putting some jumbo braids in it. And I decided to purchase this blue type of hair, even though the hair on the wig is kind of, bleach brownish. It's okay, we gonna roll with it. But yeah, you guys, so I decided to braid this hair into some jumbo braids. Okay guys, so even though this video is titled how to braid or how to do a jumbo braiding wig, is technically not, I'm not really showing you how to braid. You have to already know how to braid hair in order to make this jumbo wig. I'm just basically showing you guys how to salvage a wig that is not good, or the hair was not that good on it, and by using it and making braiding wigs. Like, braiding wigs are a big thing now. Everyone is wearing braiding wigs. So instead of throwing your wig away, you can salvage it by making a braiding wig. Okay guys, so now that I'm done braiding the wig, I am going to put a bunch of mousse over the braids to kind of put down the little flyaways and the hair that's hanging out. So this mousse is going to help lay all that down, and once I'm done putting the mousse on, I'm basically just going to wrap a do-rag around to kind of again lay those extra flyaways away. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with the mousse, I just kind of left the do-rag on, and I kind of want the ends of my braids to be crinkled. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to braid the end of the braids, and once I'm done braiding them, I'm going to secure it with a rubber band to make sure that the braid do not come loose. And you guys, I am braiding this bottom part pretty tight so that the braids can be really crinkled at the end. Hey guys, please support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Okay guys, so once I was done braiding all the hair at the end, I dipped the braids in some hot water, and once I dipped it in some hot water, I just towel dried it, and once I finished towel drying it, I just took it apart and it was crinkled. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the finished look of the wig once I was done braiding, and as you can see, the ends of the braids are crinkled. So now we're going to put this wig on, and I'm going to put it on with some Got To Be freeze spray because I don't plan on keeping this thing on for a long time. I just kind of want something really cute, a cute little braiding wig to wear. So again, you guys, I'm going to secure it with the Got To Be freeze spray. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, right now I'm just pretty much securing it, and once I do, I'm going to tie a rag around it and let that rag stay on there for about 10 minutes. And once I take the rag off, the glue will be nice and dried and the wig will be nice and secure. Okay guys, so right now I'm taking this braid out, and this section right here is going to be for my baby hairs. Now you guys, it all depends on how much baby hairs you want, but I don't think I left out that much hair to have too much baby hair. But again, this is a wig, so you probably would need some baby hairs. Okay guys, so to create my baby hairs, I pretty much just cut them pretty short, and once I'm done cutting it, I am going to create my baby hair using the Got To Be gel. And again, this Got To Be gel is going to kind of help secure the wig also and keep it tacked down along with that freeze spray. So you guys, I just kind of create my baby hair with using my hand, and I just take my hand and guide my baby hairs with my hand, kind of like making a finger wave, if you guys know how to make a finger wave. But that's all I pretty much do with making my baby hairs. And the baby hairs is just there to cover up your lace. So yeah, your baby hairs is a key factor, guys. If your baby hairs are looking tacky, then your wig will look tacky. So make sure that you make your baby hairs to look natural. Hey guys, make sure that you go over to Instagram and follow me at mskeedybaby. I am very active on my Instagram page, so make sure you head over to Instagram and follow me again at mskeedybaby. Okay guys, so right now I'm finishing up with creating my baby hairs, and once I'm done creating my baby hairs, I'm pretty much going to, start styling the wig to where I like it. And guys, do you not see this braiding wig? Look how natural it look. You can't even tell that this is a braiding wig. That's how your wigs are supposed to look. But anyway, so right now I'm just kind of going to style this, kind of twist it in the front a little bit and kind of style it and make it look nice. But I was able to put multiple styles into this wig. I had put the top up and left the back down. Yeah, I was really rocking this wig, y'all. Okay guys, so now that I got this wig in a style, I am going to take a little of my powder to put on the lace again to make it look more of my skin tone. And I mean, not that the wig already don't look natural, but I'm gonna add this little powder on there to make it look even more natural. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Also, if you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and definitely leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you thought of my braiding wig. And also guys, don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at mskeedybaby.